Standard 12th Business Mathematics, Exercise 7.2. 10th question. The distribution of a number of road accidents per day in a city is Poisson with mean 4. Find the number of days out of 100 days when there will be no accident of a subdivision. Second is at least 2 accidents. And third is at most 3 accidents. So, no road accident is considered and the mean is given 4. And they are asking you, first we'll have to find it for 1 day, then we'll have to convert it for 100 days. Okay, so we'll just proceed it. Let x be the Poisson variable denoting the number of road accidents per day. Okay, so road accidents per day. So 1 day we'll have to find it, then you'll have to convert it for 100 days. Okay, so given, so mean is given 4. Okay, so mean is equal to lambda, which is equal to 4. Now your Poisson distribution formula is P of x is equal to x, which is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. So now going to have a subdivision. No accidents at all. So probability that no accidents. So which is equal to P of x is equal to, since no accidents, we can declare that P of x is equal to 0. Now just substitute in this formula, that is lambda is equal to 4 you will have to put, and in the place of x you will have to give 0. Okay, so which is equal to e power minus 4 into 4 power x. Okay, so x is 0 divided by, again x factorial is 0 factorial. So which is equal to e power minus 4. 4 power 0, anything to the power 0 will become 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. So which is equal to e power minus 4. Normally this e power value will be given in your question itself. If it is not given, we will have to use your book. At the end of the book, you will have your exponential table. Using that table, we will have to find the value first. Okay. So we will have to find e power minus 4 value. So first, e power minus 4 is equal to, we will just bring to the denominator as e power plus 4. Because only plus values will be there in your table. Okay. So first convert it to plus value, then 1 divided by, now getting back to your book, e power 4 value will have to get it. So 4 is here, 4.0 only. Okay, so this value straight to this, and first value, that is 54.598150003, that value you'll have to take it here. So 54.598150003. So this value is from the book. Okay, so which is equal to, now you can use your calci, 1 divided by this value, you'll get your answer as 0.018316. Now getting back here, e power minus 4 value we'll have to find it. So we have got it here. So we can write it as 0.0183. So up to 4 decimal point you can write it. So here we have just found for 1 day only, and you have to convert it for 100 days. Okay, so therefore the number of days out of 100 days is equal to 0.0183, that is this value, into 100. So that will be equal to 1.83 you will have. Approximately you can convert to days, you can write it as 2 days. So now you're going to a second subdivision. At least 2 accidents we have to find it. So probability that getting at least 2 accidents. So at least means minimum 2 accidents should be there. Okay, so P of X is greater than or equal to 2. So 2 means 2, 3, 4, etc. can go, isn't it? So to convert that to a smaller one, what you'll have to do is 1 minus P of X is less than 2, you can write it. So which is equal to 1 minus, now less than 2 means 0 and 1 will be there. So you can write it as P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1. So 1 minus, so now X is equal to 0, you'll have to substitute in your formula, okay. So that is e power minus lambda is 4. So 4 into lambda power x. So lambda power x is 4 power x is here 0 divided by again x factorial. So you can write it as 0 factorial. Plus, now wherever you have given 0, just give 1, okay. So e power minus 4 into 4 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. This is equal to 1 minus, here e power minus 4 is common, okay. So I'll just remove it outside, e power minus 4 into here 4 power 0, anything to the power 0 will become 1 divided by again 0 factorial is 1, okay. Plus, here e power minus 4 is already out, so we'll have 4 power 1, so that will be 4 divided by 1 factorial is 1 itself. So which is equal to 1 minus e power minus 4 values here. So I can write it as 0.0183 to 4 decimal numbers into here 1 plus 4 is there, so that will become 5. Now multiplying 1 minus, multiplying these two numbers, you will get it as 0.0915. So which is equal to, now 1 minus 0.0915, the final answer will be 0.9085. So we have got it for 1 day. Again we will have to find it for 100 days. Okay, so therefore the number of days out of 100 days is, multiply your answer by 100, okay. So 0.9085 into 100. So I'll get it as 90.85, otherwise approximately 91 days. Hence, out of 100 days, 91 days there will be at least 2 accidents, okay. 91 days there will be at least 2 accidents. Third subdivision, at most 3 accidents, okay. So probability that at most 3 accidents. So that you can write it as P of X is up to 3 accidents, okay. So which is less than or equal to 3. So this you can write it as P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1 plus P of X is equal to 2. It is given here less than or equal to, so 3 will be there. So P of X is equal to 3. Now substitute in your Poisson distribution formula each value and get the answers, okay. So we'll just write it here. P of X is equal to 0. 0 means e power minus lambda. So e power minus 4 into lambda power x. Lambda is 4. So 4 power x is here 0 divided by x factorial, so you'll get 0 factorial. So that is your first part. Now going to your second part, x is equal to 1. Here itself you can convert your 0 to 1, you'll get your x is equal to 1. Otherwise you'll have to get back to your formula and come back. Okay. So I'll just do here itself plus e power minus 4 as it is. 4 power 0 is there, so replace by 1 divided by again 0 factorial, so you'll have to write 1 factorial. Plus now going to p of x is equal to 2. So wherever 1 is there, just give 2. Okay, so e power minus 4 into 4 square divided by 2 factorial. Plus 3. Okay, so wherever 2 you have given, just give 3. So e power minus 4 into 4 power 3 divided by 3 factorial. So solving e power minus 4, everywhere you will have common, just remove it outside. So other part you will have to keep it inside. 4 power 0 divided by 0 power 1. Anything to the power 0 will become 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. Plus here 4 power 1 means 4 will be there, divided by 1 factorial is 1 itself. Plus 4 square is 16 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Plus 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, you will get 64 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So which is equal to e power minus 4 into 1 by 1 is 1 itself, plus 4 by 1 you will get 4, plus 16 by 2 you will get 8, plus 64 divided by 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 64 divided by 6 will be 10.667. So which is equal to e power minus 4, we have got the value here. So 0.0183 you can write it into, just add all these numbers, the answer will be 23.667. Now multiplying, the last answer will be 0.4331. So this is for 1 day we have just got it. Now for 100 days you will have to find it. Okay, so the number of days out of 100 days is equal to, just multiply this answer by 100. Okay, so 0.4331 into 100, you will get it as 43.31. Otherwise approximately 43 days you can write it. So the final answer is, hence out of 100 days, 43 days we will have at most 3 accidents. Okay, so in 43 days there will be at most 3 accidents. So this is the answer for your third subdivision. Altogether this is the answer for your 10th question.